Hey, let us read the Fibonacci way. Now let's take 1 second in and 1 second out. Now let us do 2 seconds in and 2 seconds out. Now let's do 3 seconds in and 3 seconds out. Now let's do 5 seconds in and 5 seconds out. Now, if you're wondering why we were doing 5 seconds in, why we skipped 4 seconds, it's because of the Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is like starting from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on and so forth. And basically it means it's the sum of the next number in the series is the sum of the previous two numbers. So the series is very common and it's being used everywhere now. I did this coding using Python. Now let's get into the GitHub. I've got it up on GitHub and Fibonacci sequence. I'm performing it as a list using the function append. So I've invoked f equal 0, 1, and then for I in range 2, 10, I'm gonna run the series. So the Fibonacci can be formulated as f of n equal f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. So basically the next number in the sequence is the sum of the previous two numbers in the sequence. So for f of 0, 1 is the starting point, so you could also do it with like conditions and add case statements, but I'm just going to start with the list as f of 0, 1, and then start with for I in range 2 to 10, and you can always have more numbers here, so the range can end at 10 or 100, how much ever number you want. And then I'm going to do fib equal f of I minus 2 plus f of I minus 1. So that's the sum of two previous numbers, and then I'm going to use the append function to add it to the list f, and then finally going to print the list. Now let's see this in action. So I'm going to use the turtle graphics in order to visualize this Fibonacci series, and that's where that's what I basically used up in the starting of my video to kind of show the graphic of how the Fibonacci series will run. So I'm starting with the functions in Turtle, and I'm also using import math as M and import turtle as T, and then I'm using for I in range up until the list is exhausted. I'm gonna print the sequence using the functions like forward and also turn left. So those are some functions in forward, backward, and turn right and left. These are functions in the library Turtle. So I'm going to invoke those functions and make sure that it moves in. You can see on the right side, you can see the drawing is starting to move. You could also use this as square. I've done both as a circle, like as a series using angles, and also squares. Hope you try the Fibonacci series and hope you'll like this and follow along for more positive effects.